Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olavo Mobile WizTech. Welcome back to my channel and another episode of WizTech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to talk about this very welcome added feature in the video editor app that came along with the One UI 2.1 update. Now, if you own a Galaxy device that received the One UI 2.1 update and you are a vlogger or content creator, this could be great news for you. And I'll show you just what I mean right after this. If you're new to my channel or you want to continuously receive content like this, then I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. So let's jump right in. This is going to be a very short video, but just a quick background reference. All of my videos have been created, edited, and uploaded to YouTube from my phone. So all the way from the Note 5 all the way to the Note 10 Plus, which is what I have right here. All of my videos have been created, edited, and uploaded to YouTube right from the phone. And I'm really happy that Samsung has included the video editor app that allows me to do so. So let's go right to the update. So before, right, let's say I had two videos here or a few videos that I wanted to edit. So you'll tap on the little pencil icon there or the edit button, right? And I say I wanted to add more videos. I'll go ahead and just tap that plus button there. And let's say I wanted to just go ahead and add, I don't know, this one here, and then tap done, right? And so this is how I actually do my videos. I add all my recordings in here. And of course in here you can tap that and do your transitions or whatnot. But before, if let's say this first video had a mistake in there, maybe I said something wrong or I did something or shown something I wasn't supposed to show, I will have to add the same video twice and then go here, tap edit, slide back to the part where I wanted to cut off, right? And then on the second video, I'll go in there again, hit edit, and then fast forward cut all of what's in the previous video so that way they can kind of merge together and run smoothly. But thank goodness they added this now. So if you tap on a video that you would like to remove or edit, you can now tap split. So they added split, as you can see there. So before it was just edit and delete. Now you have split. So now you can tap split. And then here you can go ahead and drag it to the part where you would like it to split from. And then once you do so, right, you have two of, well, I won't say two of, but you have the video split. So instead of adding two of the same videos and doing the edits like I told you earlier, you can go ahead and edit that video, right? Edit what you want to cut off. Tap done. So that's cut off. Well, let me do something real quick. That's cut off. Tap done. Right. And then you go to the other video, hit edit. And then you can fast forward just to, make up for what's already there. And then tap done. And then once you're done with all your edits, you can merge your videos together. So the video split feature has been added to the video editor app in the One UI 2.1 update. Now, hopefully that helps you guys out. Hopefully, maybe some of you didn't know you can make your videos from your phone or you can do those type of edits. Now you can. You paid all this money for this phone. Why not take advantage of all of the features that it has? Right. So if you were thinking about vlogging, you were thinking that you didn't have the equipment to do so, you don't have the cameras. Well, if you have this phone, you have more than enough than what you need. So again, hopefully this has been helpful for you. And let me know your comments in the comment section below what you think about this. This wraps up this episode of WizTech Tip Tuesday. Very quick video, straight to the point, and hopefully you find this useful. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.